Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2019 Holden Astra, stock number 6859. This is ran for the 9th, 2016 to the 12th, 2020. There's a B14 XFT 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a B14 XFT 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand taillight, right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear and right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, windscreen cluster,